I don't know. I don't know what to do with my hands now that I have a tripod. So now that my hands are free, I don't know what to do with my hands. I think it's going to be a good year. What is it about new hair that just makes you want to go? I do a lot. Sometimes I do too much. Oh. What's good, Internet? It's January of 2019. It's a brand new year, and you know what that means. That's right. It's cosplay season. Now, this has been a long time coming. That's 1,000% me. I get it. But with the new year comes brand new changes. So let me start off this new year by welcoming you to my channel. I'll be doing regular updates. We'll talk about sewing. We'll talk about crafting. Definitely paper crafts. Makeup videos. We'll do con reviews. How I cosplay with the smallest amount of budget possible. We'll go behind the scenes into how I go into the creation of a lot of my things. I'll teach you about some of the tools of my trade, some of the tools that I use, some of the life hacks that I've stumbled upon and started using for my stuff. But these are just some of the things that I'm thinking of. You let me know if there's anything that you want to see, if there's anything that you want me to make, if there's a tutorial that you want me to create. It's no problem. We can do it. But what I'm really looking forward to for this year is that we can go ahead and grow this page together. Basically, you'll be taking a look in the behind the scenes of all that I do, from drawing to cosplay to makeup, all that kind of fun stuff. You'll be able to see it here. Maybe I'll cover some things that you don't know. Maybe I'll cover some things that you do. Maybe I'll go over some things that you may know about that, you know, maybe I can help make it a little easier for you to use. So let me know if there's anything that you want me to cover in particular. This is going to be a learning experience for all of us. I feel it's going to be a good year. It's going to be a good year for a lot of things. So do me a favor, so we can start growing immediately, is to like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, as well as hit the bell icon for more notifications whenever I upload a new video. And until then, social media is also a thing. Like, follow that too. That'd be great. Appreciate it.